Welcome back to the training series for SmartERP. We shall continue towards our next chapter, which is allowance configuration. In this chapter, we shall cover on how to configure your allowances on SmartERP. To navigate to the allowance configuration screen, go to Add-ons, Payroll, Setup, Allowance Configuration. To configure your allowances, click Add. You can choose the type of allowances from the drop-down as shown here. As you can see, benefits in kind is also part of this list. However, the calculations may differ from other allowances. For example, for benefits in kind, the allowance will be taxable to PAYE, but not contributing to the Provident Fund. If you have an allowance that is not under this list, you can choose other monthly allowance. You have an option to click non-taxable if your allowance complies. For example, meal allowance can be a non-taxable allowance if all employees are entitled to it without any discrimination. Under the description section, you can type what you would like to call this allowance. In this example, we shall call this medical allowance. Once you have configured your allowance, click Save to save the allowance. As you can see here, your new allowance is in created status. You can approve this allowance by clicking the Data button and click Approve. Upon approval, the respective allowance will appear under the Allowance drop-down in Manage Employees screen. So to summarize this chapter, we have seen how to configure allowances on SmartERP. Thank you for watching.